So it's Mr. London Plumber, and I think I'm the only one out here with a selfie stick, but I don't really care. And we're just in the car park now, just pulled up. I'm just going to make my way up to Alexandra Palace, which is up there.
8.5-inch thread. And then all you literally do is, if you want a bottom entry, to the bottom, or if you want the side entry, you just put it in all the sides.
Super, yeah.
You don't need to block anything off, it just shuts off as soon as it goes to the side, that'll just shut off.
So this can actually go all the way around, so it can be adjusted so it can move from side to side inside the tank, which is quite that's quite a good idea.
And then we've got a delayed fill, so if you press this button, then the
quick competition.
Oh, you put it in there, have you, already? So I'm going to do the same then.
So he's going to do the same.
Okay, we're ready.
We're going to time in. 1, 2, 3, let's go. It's quite obvious you can't beat a man, isn't it? Good old fashioned bit of muscle. He didn't even show you the guns, he just...
Yeah. You'll do 100 spins. Like, I don't have bigger arms at the end of the day. Bigger guns. If you had a catch up with your friend, wouldn't you?
Don't say that, don't say that. 22 mollies, put your egging me on now. Egging me on now. No.
20% of what's left of that agency. Get all that out. Agency. What this will do, system 15 rats or 125 litres. So that's, this goes further than some of that packages. That's in the so we do a full water test kit. Okay. So we'll do is, once you've cleaned all the system, take a sample of the system water, take a sample of mains water.
So if you've not got a filter already on the system,
quick dip test, and there's 2 litmus papers in there. Quick test so you know that you fill out this paperwork. Within 24 hours, the results are uploaded onto a portal, so you can go online, put your own login in, so you'll have to log in, your own login and password. You log in, and all your results for all your system cleans you've done will be sat on this portal. So that shows a certificate to say that that system's been cleared correctly. And it's just something extra you can give to your customer. Peace of mind for you. Certificate to give it to your customer, so you know that when that boiler was fitted, everything is passed on. So if in 6-12 months time they have a problem, the first thing they're going to do is take a water sample. You know that when you did it, so it's back up. And a test kit like that, very expensive, but it just gives you a log and backup and support.
This is my Instagram now, Mr. London Plumber.
Yeah, Mr. London Plumber.
The first person that said that, I've seen you.
Yeah, that's the one.
And this is the main person now. He's going to be my next friend. I'm going to add him now, and his page is going to blow up. You're all alright, yeah?
I'm not. Someone just find out if the answer.
This is the product.
Instagram page. I've got one, but I can't believe it's switched on. And what will happen is the lights are going to start spinning in a second, and as they spin, you'll see the flow increase. See the flow starting to increase.
Because people like to see these things, you know what I mean? Because come down to the show so everyone can see. And let's pro guys at the back. It's the London Plumber, and we're just showcasing Nest Pro's stand. To the show, and then the guy said, one of the guys, I'll show you the picture in a minute. One of the guys was like, "Oh, you're the famous plumber," and I was like, "Now it's my hashtag." Mr. On the Nest Pro stand is the most question asked.
The most common question.
Yeah.
It changes a lot. It really does it. How to install it, how well it compares to all the other brands in the market, and stuff like that.
12 points up.
I'm just down at Magnaflow right now, just doing a little trial with the magnet. And you got up to where my score is.